Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the post language on the X app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the X app, and here it opens up in the feed where we have to post from the people that we follow. From here we have to swipe to the right, scroll down, tap on settings and support, and then tap on settings and privacy. In this section, we tap on accessibility, display and languages. And here we tap on languages. Now in this section, we find other languages as the second option. We tap on this. And here we can select the languages which we speak and in which we want to see posts on the application. So for example, if you speak, Hungarian, we can set that as the second language, and then we get posts both in English and in Hungarian. After we are done, we just tap on done, and now the app is going to show us posts in both languages. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.